Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to allow Instagram to access your photos on Android. If you're using Instagram and you want to allow Instagram to access your photos, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you must have to press and hold on Instagram app, and here just tap on info icon or app info option. If you can't get it, you can easily select it from settings. Just open phone settings, and here just go for search or go for apps. Just tap on it, and here you must have to look for Instagram app. Once you have, just tap on it, and here select permissions, and here you will get photos and videos option. Just tap on it, and here you have to make sure that you have selected always allow all or allow while using the app. You must have to select that option. If you have don't allow here, you can just select that, just tapping on that. So in this way you can easily allow Instagram to access your photos or videos on any Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.